According to the Occupational Health and Safety Act and regulations of South Africa, employers have a legal duty to provide and maintain, as far as reasonably practicable, a working environment that is healthy, safe and free from any risk for the employees. In layman's terms, it means employers have the duty to implement measures that improve health and safety in the workplace and put in place suitable measures to control, manage and maintain this. My name is Orchid Fourie. I am the Regional Manager for MAKROSAFE Central. In the next few videos, we will be discussing a question I'm asked on a daily basis. What are the core elements of health and safety management in the workplace? The answer is simple. Regardless of the nature of your industry, organization or size of the organization, the key to effective management of health and safety are dedicated leadership and management. This includes appropriate business processes, a well-trained and skilled workforce, and an environment where employees' views and suggestions are valued and where employees are involved in health and safety. Employees must be encouraged to be proactive in health and safety as they form the core structure of a health and safety environment. Awareness of these elements, underpinned by an understanding of the profile of possible risks the organization creates or faces, is important. The following is crucial. A healthy and safe working environment cannot be achieved by solely applying once-off interventions. A sustained and systematic approach is more essential. This can be achieved in various ways as long as the plan, do, check, act concept is implemented even when a formal health and safety management system is not yet in place. Thank you for your time. In your next video, Brenda Marais will explain your legal duties to you.
Hi, my name is Brenda Marais. I'm a health and safety project specialist with the MAKROSAFE Central region. In the previous video, Orchid discussed the keys to effective management of health and safety. You will find this in your Health and Safety Management eBook, Part 1, the core elements of health and safety management in the workplace. In this video, I would like to discuss the legal duties. All organizations have management procedures or arrangements to deal with payroll, personnel issues, and quality control. Health and safety management is, however, often overlooked, but in actual fact, it must not be treated any differently. The Occupational Health and Safety Act and regulations require employees to put in place measurements to control health and safety risk in the workplace. Employees should have at least the processes and procedures required to meet the legal requirements. This includes a written health and safety policy, assessments of the risk to employees, contractors, customers, partners, and any other person who could be affected by your activities, and record the significant findings. Arrangements for the effective planning, organization, control, monitoring, and review of the prevention and protective measures that come from the risk assessment findings. The availability of the Health and Safety Information Source or Guide, which can be the Occupational Health and Safety Act. Providing employees with information about all natures of risk in the workplace and how they can protect themselves. This can be achieved through safe working procedures or safe operating procedures, and by also reminding employees of those procedures regularly. Providing information, instructions and training for employees on how to deal with risk and incidents in the workplace. Induction training is an ideal tool for having this achieved, but refresher training and meetings are also required. Ensuring that there is adequate and appropriate supervision in place, establishing good communication lines between all relevant stakeholders. It is important that everyone is aware of the risk present in the workplace and the effectiveness of current preventative and protective measures. Awareness can be achieved through toolbox talks, team building events, or refreshment training for employees, especially after break intervals. Thank you for your time, and I trust this video gave you a better understanding around your legal responsibilities. In our next video, Jessica Colwick will be presenting risk profiling to you.
Hi, my name is Jessica Colwick. I'm a Health and Safety Project Specialist at MAKROSAFE Central Region. In the previous video, Brenda gave you an overview of your legal duties pertaining to health and safety. In this video, I'll be discussing one of the most important parts of health and safety, namely risk profiling. Effective managers and employers who are dedicated to health and safety know the risks posed by their working activities and the working environment. The range of risks in organizations goes beyond health and safety risks. They also include quality, environmental, and asset damage. However, health and safety issues posed by one department can overspill and negatively affect other departments, which is why all risks should be put into consideration. A typical risk profile should cover the following aspects: the nature and level of the risks within and faced by the workplace, the likelihood of adverse effects occurring and the estimated level of disruption, the costs associated with each of the risks, and the effectiveness of control measures in place that is meant to manage those risks. Effective managers and employees will ensure action is taken effectively to control these risks. Although there is much more to risk assessments, this is a brief explanation of the importance of a risk assessment. Okkert mentioned in the introduction video that a health and safety working environment cannot be achieved solely by applying once-off interventions. I would like to emphasize this again. A health and safety working environment cannot be achieved by solely once-off interventions, and this most definitely includes your company's risk assessment. Your risk assessment is a working document and plays a major role in the health and safety management system. With saying this, Dylan Steyn will explain our health and safety management system in our next video.
Thank you for allowing me a few minutes of your time to explain to you why a health and safety management system forms part of the core elements of a health and safety management in the workplace. In our two previous videos, Brenda explained our legal duties and Jessica explained the importance of risk profiling. While you were watching this video, I am sure you were wondering, how will managing all of this be possible? This is why it is important to have a formal system in place that can help you manage your health and safety program effectively. At MAKROSAFE, we manage our clients' health and safety programs with a state-of-the-art cloud-based software. Not only is the MAKROSAFE Health and Safety System aligned with OSHA's 18001, soon to be ISO 45001, but the key actions can also be tracked back to the plan, do, check and act approach. I would like to end off part 1 of the Health and Safety eBook by highlighting the top 6 reasons why MAKROSAFE clients believe in the stay on the MAKROSAFE Health and Safety program. Number 1. Having a MAKROSAFE program ensures occupational health and safety awareness and compliance, thus demonstrating that the organization is meeting legal requirements. Point number 2. MAKROSAFE ensures that the health and safety system is recorded, communicated to all our employees, and implemented in a consistent way throughout the business. Point number 3. Improved health and safety performance by our business will reduce the cost associated with accidents and incidents. Improves on the incident investigation process. Point number 5. Peace of mind that the well-established competent health and safety consulting company is contracted to ensure health and safety compliance. Point number 6. Improving the efficiency of your business reduces cost. MAKROSAFE clients all agree that their confidence in health and safety is secure. With a proactive approach, MAKROSAFE takes when implementing our health and safety program.